In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify duplicates in Monday.com, specifically within Monday CRM. This step-by-step guide aims to help you efficiently find and manage any duplicate entries in your contact list, ensuring your data remains clean and organized. Imagine you're working with a robust contacts list in Monday.com's CRM. At times, repetitive entries can make it difficult to manage and assess your data accurately. But don't worry, we're here to fix that. Here's what you should do. First, look over your contacts to confirm you have duplicates, and let's get started. Navigate to your board, where your contact list is located. You'll notice a 3 dots icon located at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click on this icon to unveil the board options. It's your gateway to delve deeper into the various actions you can perform on your board. Among the options presented, you'll see one labeled More Actions. Click on it to open a secondary menu. In this list, you'll find the option to Manage Duplicates. This tool is specifically designed for addressing duplicate issues and is quite simple to use. Upon selecting Manage Duplicates, a pop-up will appear. It's asking you to specify which column you want to search for duplicates in. This is a crucial step. The tool needs this information to work effectively. Look at your setup, whether it's email addresses, names, phone numbers, or any other identifier, and select the column that best suits your need to find duplicates. After you've chosen the right column, go ahead and click on Search. The system will then analyze your data within that column and bring up a list of entries that it identifies as duplicates. This is where the magic happens. You'll be provided with a clear list of items that have been detected as duplicates, making it straightforward to manage them. Now take a careful look at the items presented. You have the power to decide which ones to keep and which to merge. Beside each item, there are checkboxes. Click on the checkboxes next to the specific entries you want to keep in your list. This decision could be guided by the completeness of data in each row, or some other data point that indicates which entry is more accurate. Once you've made your selections, find the Merge Items button and click on it. This action will merge the selected items, thereby eliminating duplicates while preserving the data you've chosen to retain. And just like that, the duplicate entries are consolidated and your contact list within Monday.com CRM is restored to pristine condition. In a few simple steps, you now have the knowledge to keep your data clean and more manageable. Remember, a little maintenance can go a long way in ensuring your CRM is as efficient and effective as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep your data neat and organized for optimal performance.